Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make your chessboard bigger in your account on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So guys, you don't do this through your board settings on chess.com. You may simply do it via your chess party you're playing right now. So navigate to the chess party you're playing. Let me go with that. Here I'm playing against myself in the practice mode. So what you need to do, guys, is, let's say for instance I would like to make that chessboard here bigger to make it more visible. What you need to do is hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the chessboard or slightly extend it, and you will see that double arrow icon here. Click into it, hold your left mouse, and after that simply move your mouse to the left if you'd like to decrease the chessboard, or increase its size, move it to the right, so you can go up to a maximum of that size here, and release your left mouse. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.